In 2010, the previous owner of our 1978 Triumph Spitfire purchased the car and drove it 300 miles from Newcastle to its new home. On this first trip together, car and driver connected beautifully. Even bigger things were lined up though, as following a full nut and bolt restoration and respray, our Spitfire covered the 2,000+ mile round Britain reliability run on 4 separate occasions in 2012, 2014, 2016 and then again in 2018. After its mammoth road trips, our Spitfire has been on light duties in the local area and now it's ready to find its new home, and it could be yours. For more information and to enter the draw, head over to the Bridge Classic Cars competition's website. Good luck!